Now I am going to explain you a topic called surface areas and volumes. This is a ninth class topic. Here you are going to learn about the formulas of surface areas and volumes. So coming to introduction, in our daily life we used to observe two types of things which are two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Here the examples for two-dimensional is rectangle, square, triangle, circle. In these objects, we can see only two dimensions. They are length and breadth. These objects are with length and breadth. So this is known as two-dimensional things. And coming to three-dimensional things. Here, cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere. These objects are having length, breadth and as well as height. So this is about three-dimensional things which have length, breadth and height. Here we are going to learn about cuboid which have length, breadth and height. So this is a three-dimensional object and a cuboid is having 6 faces and 8 corners. So when we cut the cuboid along the edges, then the cuboid is divided into like this. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and these are the faces of the cuboid. So here from this we can learn the surface area of cuboid. Surface area is divided into two types, total surface area and lateral surface area. So the first one is total surface area. Total surface area includes the area of 6 faces of rectangles. Here these all are rectangles. So the area of these 6 faces gives the total surface area. So mainly we should know the area of rectangle. This is the main point. So the area of rectangle is length into breadth. And we have already know that the units for area is centimeter square. So remember this. So here what we said, to get total surface area, we should know the 6 faces area. So the first face is EFGH and its area is length into height. That means here the length is denoted with the letter L and the breadth is denoted with the letter H. So L into H equals to LH and the second rectangle is HGCD. You can see in this image. So the area of this rectangle is length into breadth LB. So like this we have wrote the 6 faces areas of the rectangle. So now we should add these 6. So we will get, so total surface area equals to, we should add these 6 equations like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So here total surface area equals to LH plus LB plus BH plus BH plus LB plus LH. Here you can see LH and LH. You can see 2 LH. So we have written as 2 LH plus 2 LB plus 2 BH. And you can see the 2 is common in these 3. Okay. So we have taken 2 as common. So 2 into LH plus LB plus BH. Understood? So this is the total surface area formula for rectangle. Cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LH plus LB plus BH. So we all know that as it is an area, so the cubic unit, the units are centimeter square units. Okay. Now the second one is lateral surface area. For total surface area, the short form is TSA and for lateral surface area the short form is LSA. So total surface area माने 6 faces. We should add 6 faces area. So now lateral surface area means only 4 sides of the rectangle. Only 4 sides. Here in this cuboid, you can see the 4 faces. They are A, B, C, D. That means you can see the 6. So we should add this to BCGF. That means BCGF is 4 and EFGH. That means 1 and ADEH. That means 3. So only 4 sides of the cuboid we should add. Then we will get the lateral surface area. So we should add equation 1, 3, 4 and 6. So by adding these 1, 3, 4, 6, they are LH plus BH plus LB plus LH. We can see there are 2 LH, so we are written as 2 LH, and 2 BH, so we have written 2 BH. And in these two, the common are 2 and H. So 2H into L plus B. We have taken 2H as common and the remaining are L plus B. So the formula for cuboid lateral surface area is 2H into L plus B. And it is also an area. So the units are square units, that is centimeter square. So this is the formula for cuboid surface area. Total surface area and lateral surface area. So once again, the formula for total surface area is 2 into LH plus LB plus BH, and lateral surface area is 2H into L plus B. Now here you can I have taken a cuboid which is having length 5 centimeters, breadth 3 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters. So now I am going to find the total surface area. Here you can see the simplification of this. So the formula, mainly we have to keep the formula first. So the formula is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB, and we will substitute the numbers which have given in LBH places. So 2 into 5 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 5 into 3. And here we will do multiplication of this, and we will get 2 into 5 2s are 10 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15. So like this we have got, and 2 into 10 plus 6 plus 15 is equals to 31. So 2 into 31 is equals to 62. And here I have taken in centimeters. So I have written centimeters, and here I have found the area of the cuboid. So the units of area is square units. So I have kept centimeter square. So 62 centimeter square is the total surface area of the cuboid which I have taken. And the lateral surface area is, first of all we should write the formula, that is 2H into L plus B. And here 2 into height is 2 and L is 5 and the plus breadth is 3 centimeters. So 2 2s are 4 and 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So 4 into 8 is 32 centimeter square, as it is the area. So this is the lateral surface area of the cuboid which I have taken. So this is the solution. You can solve the problems like this by using the formula. So the next one is, here we have seen the surface area of cuboid, and the next one is volume. What is volume? So every object occupies some space. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. Understood? So volume is measured in cubic units. Here the volume of cuboid is area of plane region into height. So you can see in cuboid, the base of the cuboid is rectangle. So area of plane is rectangle area into height. So we have known that area of rectangle is L into B, and here we have height, so L into B into H. So volume of cuboid is L into B into H, and we have already said that the units are cubic units, so centimeter cube. Understood? This is about the volume of a cuboid. Now the second three-dimensional object is cube. we have already seen the image before. Now here I'm only saying the formula for cube. The total surface area of cube is 6a square, where a is the edge length, and lateral surface area, that means only 4 sides area, is 4a square, and the volume of the cube is a cube. Okay, this is about the cube. And the next one is right circular cylinder. Here cylinder, we have already seen the image before. That means here I have drawn again. So this is the cylinder, rough sketch. Here we have said that right circular cylinder, that means the radius and the height should be 90 degrees. So here it should be 90 degrees. So then it is known as right circular cylinder. Here this is the head, height, and the basis of the cylinder is circle. So it is diameter and half it is radius. So coming to the surface areas. Here surface areas are curved surface area. Because it is in the shape of curve, so we have said that curved surface area and total surface area. So curved surface area is equals to perimeter of the base into height. So I have already said that the base of the cylinder is circle. So perimeter of the circle into height. What is the perimeter of the circle? The perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r into h. So the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. And it is area, so we are using square units. So this is about curved surface area of right circular cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r h, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. And we have already know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. So pi equals to 22 by 7 equals to 3.14. Okay, remember this value. So here pi equals to 22 by 7 or 3.14. And the next one is total surface area. Total surface area is curved. We have already know the curved surface area plus area of top plus area of base. Okay, here this curved surface area and the area of this base, bottom, and area of top. What is curved surface area? 2 pi r h. So we have written 2 pi r h, and area of top is circle. So area of circle is pi r square, and base is also circle, so area of base is pi r square. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square equals to 2 pi r square. So here we can see the common is 2 pi and r. So 2 pi r we have taken common, and the remaining is h, and here it is r. So 2 pi r into h plus r. So the total surface area formula is 2 pi r into h plus r centimeter square. Now coming to volume of the cylinder. So here we can take 1 rupee coins or 2 rupee coins. Then we have arranged one by one. Then it will form a cylinder. So this is one coin, one, like this we have arranged. So when we arrange some coins, then it will raise the height of the cylinder. So arrangement of coins vertically gives the height of the cylinder. So here a coin will be in circular shape. So the area of circle is pi r square, and arranging in vertical order, it gives the height. So into height equals to pi r square h. And for volume, the units are centimeter square. Okay, this is about the volume of cylinder. The formula is pi r square h. Here we have already know the formula for cylinder, CSA, TSA, and volume. So we will now solve the problem. Here we have given radius equals to r equals to 7 centimeters and height equals to 10 centimeters. So curved surface area. The formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So here 2. So 2 into, we have set the value for pi equals to 22 by 7 and radius is 7 centimeters. So into 7 and height is 10. So into height 10. First, this is the substitution step, and now calculation step. So 7 cancellation. So we have done cancellation here. 7 cancel. So 222s are 44 into 10 is equals to 440 centimeter square, as it is the area. Now total surface area. So the first formula for total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, r is 7, and into 10 plus 7, that means height plus h plus r. So here 7 get cancelled and 10 plus 7 is equals to 17. So this is the step, and now 2 22s are 44 and the remaining one is 17. So 44 into 17 is 748 centimeter square. So here you can see the calculation also. So 748, and the next one is volume. The formula for volume is pi r square h. So value for pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 7. So we have square, so 7 square into height is 10. So 7 square is 49. 7 7s are 49, so cancelled into 10. So 22 into 7 times is 70. 22 into 70 is 1540 centimeter square. So this is the volume of the 1540 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the cube, volume of the cylinder. So this is about cylinder. So here we have learned three-dimensional objects of cube and cylinders surface area and volumes formula. So this is about surface areas and volumes, and remaining part will be there. And so thanks. This is Gayatri, and this channel is your favorite channel, Gayatri Gai. So please do subscribe and like and share. So thanks.
ఏమైపోతానే మనసుకు ఆగే